Certainly. Here's an updated recipe for Chinese vegetable soup with carrot and radish. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 2 carrots, peeled and sliced into thin rounds, 1 small radish, peeled and sliced, 4 cups vegetable broth, or chicken broth if preferred, 1 cup water, 1 cup bok choy or napa cabbage, chopped, 1 cup spinach, chopped, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, shiitake or button mushrooms work well, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, adjust to taste, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: sliced green onions, sesame seeds, or a drizzle of sesame oil for garnish. Instructions: 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. 1. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger. 1. Sauté for about 2-3 minutes or until the onions become translucent and fragrant. 2. Add the sliced carrots and radish to the pot. 2. Stir and cook for another 3-4 minutes, allowing the vegetables to soften slightly. 3. Pour in the vegetable broth and water. 3. Increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil. 3. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 10-15 minutes or until the carrots and radish are tender. 4. Add the chopped bok choy or napa cabbage, spinach, and sliced mushrooms to the pot. 4. Simmer for an additional 3-5 minutes or until the greens are wilted and the mushrooms are tender. 5. Season the soup with soy sauce, and add salt and pepper to taste. 5. Adjust the soy sauce according to your preference for saltiness. 6. Serve the Chinese vegetable soup hot. 6. You can garnish it with sliced green onions, a sprinkle of sesame seeds, or a drizzle of sesame oil for added flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade Chinese vegetable soup with carrot and radish. It's a comforting and nutritious dish that's perfect for a light and healthy meal.